good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel Poltekpel Aceh. In here, we are going to medical check-up for running test. Come on, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, this is cadet of Poltekpel Aceh. We are sit down in here for waiting for medical check-up for running test. Okay, guys, I will to show you about my class. Okay, this is my class. And ada bertiga? Okay, right. This is my class. This is happiness people in there. Thank you, guys. Okay. Always stay tuned in my channel, right? Okay, guys, this is for me for medical checkup. Okay, always stay tuned in my YouTube channel, in our YouTube channel, right? Okay, after this we go run to the out and get the number for the number running, right? Okay, let's go. I will get the number. Okay, I will get the number for running and I should using this. Okay, always watching in our YouTube channel, right? And stay tuned.
Turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I'd probably only sell one. Give it to my brother. We have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, stones throw from quick we used to roam. And it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder. And
Okay, guys, I'm after finished doing up and we are going to the Poltekpel building for the sit up. Okay, stay tuned in our YouTube channel.
turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed.
Hello, guys. After we doing all activity in afternoon, we can back to the dormitory for cleaning your body, and you can bed up or clean your body again, and after that you can back to the respective for dinner, and after that extra activity like your habit in Poltekpel Aceh. Poltekpel Aceh is
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to